In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made this stick figure video using Canva and AI. Okay, I'm in Canva, and the first thing I'll do is come over here to Video. Click on that, choose Landscape, and then I'm going to drag in my new image to Uploads. This is something I made in AI. Next, I'll drag it right down here, and then I'll take it and make it a little bit bigger. Next, go to Edit, click on that, go over here to the Tools section and choose Image to Video, and click on that. Okay, I could choose from either of these, but I'm gonna choose Custom, and then I'll add a short prompt here, plus I'm gonna add Static Camera, because a lot of times the AI will make the video zoom in and do other things when all I want is a still camera. So I'm gonna try that and see how it works. I'll click on Generate, and now it's actually making the video. So I'll wait a few seconds for it to finish. There you go, it's done. So now you see I'm coming up close to the end of my AI credits for this month because I've really been making a lot of videos lately. Okay, so I'll just wait. But for the meantime, there is what I just made. So yeah, I like that. That's very nice. And the static camera prompt actually worked that time, so I'm glad I added that. So let's click on this and add it to the design here. Nice, and I'm gonna blow it up a little bit bigger, just like that. Cool, and that's how you actually can create your own animated Stickman images here in Canva using the images that you've already created. So if you wanna make these yourself, come here inside Canva. For example, let's take this image right down here for right now, and then click on it, go to Edit, and then come over to the Tools section, choose Image to Video. And then you can either tell it what you want it to do, or you can let the AI do it for you. Next, it'll give you a 5-second video. Since I've about used up all my tokens for this month though, I'll have to wait a minute or so to make another one. But that's the basic process. So now it's time for you to try it yourself. If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.